So let's discuss one interesting problem. In this question, you have triangle, semicircle and quadrant. There are three shapes which is given over here and we need to find the area of the shaded region. Obviously, let's read the question. ABC is a quadrant of a circle. So ABC, not the triangle, ABC, right? Quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. Okay, so radius is given 14 centimeter and here as well. Good. And a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Okay, so semicircle is drawn taking BC as the diameter. So you can see that there is a one green color semicircle over here, right? Okay, find the area of the shaded region. So first of all, let's learn how many shapes are there, right? I told you. So there is a one quadrant. So this is quadrant, right? In the same quadrant, there is a one triangle, right? And if you see on this BC, let's just name for the purpose of understanding, there is one semicircle, right? So if you can see, there are three shapes given over here and we need to understand how to add and subtract. We cannot just do randomly that you subtract this two area and you'll get the answer. We need to think logically over here. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to only consider this quadrant and the triangle. I'm going to ignore that there is a one semicircle. Why am I doing it? Because I want to find the area of this region. I will be finding the area of the quadrant, then I will be finding the area of this triangle and I will subtract. So I will get the area of this region. Afterwards, what I will do, from semicircle, I will be removing this area. Remember, after getting this area from semicircle, I will remove this area. Then we will get the area of the shaded region. Let's start. My first step is to find the area of the quadrant ABC. So first step, area of quadrant. Then area of the quadrant. So what's the radius? First of all, see, it is given 14 centimeter. Do not miss important information. So area is 1 by 4 into pi r square. 1 by 4, why? Because it is quadrant. So 1 by 4 as it is, pi 22 by 7, radius is 14 multiplied by 14. So 7 ones are 2s are 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are 2 11s are. So what's left? Let's check in numerator. It is 1 11 14. 11 and 14, denominator nothing. Good. So whole number. Nice, no fractions. So 11 multiplied by 14 will be 154 centimeter square. Simple multiplication and you will get the answer. Next, I want to find the area of this triangle. I want to remove this triangle from the quadrant, right? So for that I need to have the area. So to find the area of the triangle, very simple formula, half into base into height. So base is 14 centimeter and guess what? Height is also 14 centimeter because it is quadrant. So 14 centimeter it is. So second step, area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half into base is what? 14. Height is what? 14. 2 ones are 7s are. Now 7 into 14, you will get 98 centimeter square. So that's the area of the triangle. Now what I'm going to do, I want to find the area of this region I told you. So I need to subtract from the quadrant. I am removing triangle. So let's remove the triangle. So what will you get? Let's give remaining area in quadrant. Let's give title. So third, remaining area in quadrant. Remaining area in quadrant, right? So I need to subtract it. It's very simple. So 154 minus 98. So let's do subtraction. Here 14 and 4. Now 14 and 0. So 14 minus 8, that is 6. And 14 minus 9 will give you what? 5. Simple. So 56 centimeter square. That's done. So this is the area of the 56 centimeter square. Now we are done up to this. Now what will I be doing? I will find the area of this semicircle, right? And from this semicircle, I will be removing this 56. So I can get the area of the shaded region. So we are good at that point. Now how to find the area of that semicircle? Because it is given that BC is the diameter. Read the question. It is given that BC as the diameter. But we don't have value of BC. So how shall we get it? Okay, still we have a solution for that. This is 90 degree because it is quadrant, right? Now ABC, can I say ABC is a right triangle? Yes, I can. So can I get the value of BC with the help of which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. So let's get the value of BC. So let's write here triangle ABC where angle A is equal to 90 degree and hypotenuse is opposite to 90 degree. So let's start with the hypotenuse, which is BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So here 14 square plus 14 square, and see, even if you can do over here that BC square is equal to 2 times 14 square. This is very simple to do it. Why did I do it? Because I know 14 square, it is repeated, so I've kept as it is. Now you take the square root. So you will be getting in a very simple way, square root of BC square is BC and square root of 14 square, 14 and square root of 2 as it is. So square root of 2 centimeter. Done. So we have the value of BC. But remember, BC is the diameter, not the radius. So to get the radius at this point, you need to divide by 2. That is 7 square root of 2 centimeter. Now let's find the area of the semicircle. So area of semicircle, right? What's the formula? That is 1 by 2, half, right? Half of the circle, pi r square. So 1 by 2 multiply by 22 by 7 into 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Be careful, 7 cancel. And here, let's cancel this one. 1s and 11s, right? Now 11 into root 2 and there is a 7 as well. So 77. See, be careful over here. 77. Then root 2 into root 2 will give you what? Only 2. Right? So it is 154 centimeter square. That is the area of this semicircle. Remember, this is the complete area of this semicircle. Right? Now what I need to do? I need to remove this area from this semicircle and I will be getting the area of the shaded region. So let's move for the last step, which is finding the area of the shaded region. So let's find area of shaded region. So that is, I need to subtract from the semicircle. Semicircle area is what? 154. Yes, 154 it is. Minus, what is the area of this region? See, I have labeled here 56 minus 56. So if you subtract here 14, then 4. Not possible, so 14 and 0. 14 minus 6 will give you 8 and 14 minus 5 will give you 9. So 98 centimeter square. So area of this region, answer is 98 centimeter square. Remember, this sum looks very simple, but you need to have a proper idea. Let's recall the step. First of all, identify the steps, identify the shapes. How many shapes are there? That is triangle, there is a quadrant, there is a semicircle. So what did I do? First I find the area of the quadrant. Yes, we get it, 154. Then area of the triangle, that is 98 centimeter square. Subtract the area of triangle from the quadrant. So you will get the area of this remaining part. Afterwards, what we need to do? This remaining part need to cut from the semicircle. Remember, right? So we need to have area of the semicircle, but we do not have the radius. So can we find with the help of Pythagoras theorem? Yes, so with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we find the value of the radius. Afterwards, we can get the area of this semicircle. From semicircle, we need to subtract this remaining area. Then only we will get the area of the shaded region.